Hello, crafters, and welcome to day 2 of the P2P Winter Online Craft Show, brought to you by From Picture to Page and Beyond Papercraft shows, nurturing your creativity with in-person and online events. Now, I'm Michelle Brown, Creative Director at From Picture to Page, and I am so excited to bring you today's lineup of our online winter craft show. Now, for all the details, you know what to do. Head over to our website, FromPictureToPageAndBeyond.com.au, and then click on the online show tab, and that'll show you all the things that are coming up today. Plus, it'll be the place to catch the replays and, of course, find out all the details for our retailers and get in touch with them that way. And while you're on our website, make sure you signed up to our newsletter. And also, if you are already on a newsletter and haven't seen our emails, check your spam folder, because particularly with Outlook and Big Pond emails, we've been having a little bit of trouble lately. So check your spam folder. And if you'd like to change the email address that your emails go to, it'd be really helpful if you went and signed up with your new email address and then unsubscribed with your old email address, rather than sending it to us, because that's sort of an extra thing to do. So if you could do that for us, that would be great, because there are some things that we only send out to our email subscribers, like the downloadable program for the show, as well as our loyalty vouchers, and we always let you know the things well before it goes out through social media. So it is the place to be. So I have to make sure we mention today's sponsor, which is Carolyn Ahern with Travel Managers. Now, Travel Managers are a network of home-based travel agents that are there to help us with our travel needs. And Carolyn is a paper crafting expert, and so she can really help bring that side of the paper crafting and arts and crafts side to planning any sort of a trip. So again, for all of Carolyn's details, head over to the website, click on Carolyn Ahern Travel Managers page, and you'll be able to get in touch with her so she can help you plan your very next trip. Now, whether you're watching us here live or catching up with a replay, hello, Alana, good morning. We want you to pop in the comments and say hi. Make sure you give us a like, share us with your crafty friends, because that is how we share our crafting love to our community, by letting everyone know what a great time we're having. Now, if you've also got any questions, pop them in the comments as well. And if you've found us here for this introduction, this will be exactly where we are. Every hour on the hour, we have a 2-minute countdown, which gives the people watching live on Facebook a chance to find us and get settled. Make sure you've got your beverage ready to go. You've got your woolly socks on. Although it is a gorgeous morning here in Melbourne, let's hope it holds on and keeps us sunny and ready to craft throughout the day. So the live lineup for today, Saturday the 13th of August, and don't we love August? It's the best month of the year. At 10 a.m. we've got Craftery with Alison. Now, you will have seen Alison before with her Kazaz hat on. She's coming along with her new Close to My Heart hat on, and I'm really looking forward to seeing her take on what she's going to do with those products. At 11 o'clock, we've got Kathy with Eclectic Images, and she's showing us her gorgeous Dragonfly Dreaming card. At 12 noon, we've got Jen from Hillbilly, and she'll be showing off more of her wonderful and extensive product range. At 1 p.m, I will be putting back on my mixed media art hat and showing you my Marlene-inspired mixed media card. There is so many techniques in that, so whether you're a card maker or an art journalist or a scrapbooker, there's something there for everyone. At 2 p.m, we are very excited to welcome Danny with Crafters Cupboard, and she'll be showing us some mini art, and it really is, again, a way of taking all of our paper crafts and turning them into something a little bit different in a slightly different way, which we always love. And then at 3 p.m, we'll have Mel from Scrapbooking and Crafts back with some napkin crafts. And then I will be wrapping up the day at 4 o'clock. So we're so looking forward to spending the day with you. I think we've got a really good lineup, like I said, across scrapbooking, across mixed media, across card making. And we would love for you to continue to support our retailers, because then it encourages more people to come and share with us. So like we said, buying from them is fantastic, but also following their socials, leaving comments on their pages, leaving comments on the posts, liking them, sharing them with your crafty friends. All of those things are a fantastic way for you to support all of these small businesses, because they are all small women-led businesses, and of course women focused, because we're the ones who love craft. Okay, we know that there's a few guys out there that love to craft as well, but we know that we're mostly a community of women who love craft, and we're so passionate about it. So anyway, that is it from me for now. I'm going to be popping back several times a day. You're going to have Jenny and Wendy again here hosting your sessions, along with this fabulous lineup. So again, all the details are in Facebook and over on the website. Every hour on the hour will be here with another demonstration and something else to just ignite your creativity for the day. So this is Michelle signing off. I hope you have a very, very crafty day.